Hey there, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen, and happy Thanksgiving to you. If you didn't know, I like to celebrate Thanksgiving a little unique in my household. I like to celebrate a different country every year using the ingredients of a traditional Thanksgiving meal. Meaning I'll make a dish from that country, but it has to use cranberries, sweet potatoes, stuffing, turkey, and pumpkin. So this year we're gonna be celebrating Cuba, and I'm gonna be making a cranberry guava brie starter, a turkey fricassee, a sweet potato congee, a pumpkin flan, and a Cubano sandwich stuffing based on that Cubano sandwich. Well, that's what I'm gonna show you what to make here, a Cubano sandwich stuffing. Let's make it! Grab a pan. The recipe called for some sliced deli pork loin. I could not find that, so instead I'm using this sauceless pulled pork. Put that in the pan. Half a cup of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic, teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of clove, and a little black pepper. Mix that together and allow it to marinate. And I'm going to heat it just for around a minute over high heat. I've got a bowl here and 6 toasted buns that I'm going to tear up into that bowl. I have some diced ham here. Put that on top. I've also cubed up some Swiss cheese, one of those blocks. And that marinated pork. A couple tablespoons of relish, and mix that together. I need 2 cups of any type of stock. And to that you add 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. And an egg. Whisk that together and pour that over your bread mixture. And this gets poured into a prepared baking dish. Very meaty. Now you're going to cook it at 350 for about 45 minutes. Cubano sandwich stuffing. So meaty, totally a Cubano sandwich with that mustard and that pickle. It's a wonderful thing. This is stuffing. What does a turkey say to a computer? Google, Google.